Yes, it's all about Omicron. And back in Maharashtra, they've started saying you have to get your checks done. So before this shoot, to make sure you're feeling safe as an audience, I have my RT-PCR right here. There you go, take a look. I know it's blank because my doctor lets me fill it in later. Call the week that wasn't. I'm going to start with cricket. Because cricket is the most important thing in the world. I'm going to pretend there's no problems. We'll just talk about cricket. Now see, Test cricket can give you something T20 never can. A draw. I know second test chalu ho gaya, but I'm just thinking about the first test and then what a good game, a draw finally. It's something I can enjoy as an Indian to kill time. Omicron has spread as we speak. Europe, Australia, yes, Asia as well. So once again, COVID did it. Once again, COVID did it. Gave us a name we struggle to pronounce. Omicron. It's like they're punishing me. I can't remember a single day I struggled. COVID 15, 18. It took me 22 days to get that number right. But a friend of mine with Omicron says it's quite mild. All he's feeling is, and I quote, extreme fatigue, body ache and headache. Oh, sorry. That was Amarinder Singh after a meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. No. That was just his reaction on Twitter. I apologize. Barbados has decided to replace the British Queen and become a republic. That is Barbados in the West Indies. Meanwhile, a small, tiny Parsi community in Khushrubagh, South Mumbai, refuses to do so. Remember in the beginning, okay, all right. An MP from New Zealand cycled to the hospital to give birth on her own. Cycled with the baby coming out. Well done, Julie Ann Genter. However, this is what happens when you can't get an Uber. So, be warned, this whole Wi-Fi problem or the graph not working, algorithms going up and down. Tom Cruise apparently dangled upside down from the wing of an airplane for Mission Impossible 8. Akshay Kumar was dangling from the other wing. Rohit Shetty was inside the plane, looking left and right. Israel has shut borders to all foreigners. A spokesperson for Palestine said, "What's new?" I thought that was a pretty intelligent joke. I thought that was the only good joke written in this entire episode. I'm pretty sure it is. Pat Cummins is the new Australian captain back to cricket. And he was asked, this is true, I can't believe this was true, but he was asked to confess to any past wrongdoings before accepting the captaincy. Give him a paper and said, write it down, whatever you've done in the past. Actually, should we try that with our MPs and MLAs to see if they have any shortcomings? Okay. Video of the week. I know we are feeling worried a little bit about this new virus that may or may not spread. In the meantime, the spirit of Mumbai can take us somewhere. Whole of India wanted to enjoy the spirit of Mumbai. They're at a wedding reception and take a look at what happens. A fire starts. And now you can see the fire in the background in the catering area. In the meantime, people eating in the dining area. This young man especially, he's the hero. He continues. He will finish the food. Because he's paid Piramni in an envelope to the couple and he decided he has to get his paisa vasool. That is the spirit of Mumbai. Everybody trying to eat while the fire is burning and coming closer to them. They finish their meal. We salute them. Those who survived the... I'm kidding. Everybody survived. Just joking. Lots more coming up, but first the headlines. Omicron is keeping India on edge. Cryptocurrency safe or dangerous? And comedian Munawar Farooqi retires. Unbelievable, folks. It had to happen, I guess. I mean, I can't understand it either. First, we had that first COVID issue and everything went bad. Then we recovered. We thought things were good. We went out there and they smacked us with COVID 2. And just when we've recovered, my wife went swimming last week. First time in 2 years. And then they've hit us with COVID 3. Omicron. But I was thinking about it. And I think ultimately, God is the greatest comedian because he's laughing at us. No, we can't make religious jokes. So I am not saying God. I take that back. That didn't come out of my mouth. I'm sorry about that. I meant Godse is the greatest comedian. You can't make any political reference of any kind. Okay. I'm taking that back. I'm out. Nikalo. Godse the Queen is the anthem of England, Britain. God save the Queen. This is how you do comedy today. From something religious, we came to something simple. Everybody's happy except the British, so my visa is cancelled. But let's move on because we have our top story on Omicron. And before we go into it properly, I thought we must speak to an advisor. So for the latest on Omicron, let's go to our very own studio nurse. Don't expect anything special. Nurse Shashi. Nurse Shashi. Nurse Shashi, hi. I suppose Shashi, by the way, is both male and female, so do not adjust your TV set. Shashi ji, tell us what we can do to stop Omicron, please.
Wash your hand.
Wash your hand. Okay, anything else?
Obviously, then wash other hand.
Then wash other hand. Okay. Welcoming the vaccine as a lesser evil. We will move on, folks. Let's meet because we're talking about this whole Omicron thing and we don't have enough knowledge. People are again speculating, building WhatsApp mein kuch bhi fenkta hai log. So please, let's understand the truth about it and go to someone who really knows. Jayant P. Bakshi is the head of the COVID-19 special task force that's been set up by apparently no one in the government. All right? Confusing. We'll find out more. Hello, Mr. Bakshi.
Hello, uncle.
Uncle?
Yes, yes. In India, out of respect for elders, we say uncle. Except when they are elder females. Then we say auntie. But you are...
Uncle, I'm uncle. Uncle is great. Uncle is fine. Anyway, tell me, Bakshi Saab, since I'm apparently older than you. Bakshi Saab, COVID-19 Special Task Force. But I can't find this registered in any government official website.
That is correct, uncle.
But why?
Uncle, let me tell you something. The word special is very special, huh?
Very special. Go on.
See, if you see the word special in the title, that means the group exists, but
But
it doesn't exist. Following me, uncle? थोड़ा difficult है आपकी एज में, but are you getting me?
no.
See, like a special investigative team.
Yes. Oh, right. The SIT, Special Investigative Team that investigated the Aryan Khan case. It exists, but it doesn't exist, right?
वैसे अंकल सही चल रहा दिमाग आपका. If things go right, the government can congratulate us. If not,
The government can't be blamed because you don't exist.
सुपर अंकल, क्या बात है यार. आपकी एज के हिसाब से दिमाग काफी तेज.
Yes, you have started the fire. But tell us, what are you going to do to curb Omicron?
Americon. Nothing.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing, uncle.
But what? That's preposterous. That's ridiculous. You're supposed to help us combat the terror.
Americon is foreign strain, yaar.
So, what's that got to do with anything?
So the foreign country, the country of origin is responsible, uncle.
No, 1 minute. The special team, does nothing.
See, now even in a restaurant, they write आज का special. But it never available. Uncle, आपने बहुत खाया होगा, देख के लग रहा.
Yeah. Okay, listen, I'm understanding your metaphors. There's no need to be impolite. I understand what you're saying. But why aren't we doing something about Omicron? I mean, you guys are the ones who should be helping us.
With old people like you, we have to be patient, uncle. You don't understand. I'll tell you.
Please tell me, please.
Omicron spread is the responsibility of the host country, which started the spread.
अच्छा. So South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe.
अरे नहीं यार अंकल, न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ते क्या? सुबह आता है ना, पुराने लोग पढ़ते हैं. It's the United States of America.
What? That's rubbish. That's nonsense. America. No, that's wrong. You got it rubbish. Wrong.
Hey uncle, please, uncle, ये नहीं चलेगा. Don't argue with me, huh? Please. You will look even more stupid. Don't argue with me, uncle. मैं बिल्कुल एकदम.
May I ask you with due respect, sir, where the hell did you get any of this news? Where? America is the host country. Where do you get this from?
अरे uncle, calm down. Calm yourself. Calm. The answer is in the name, yaar uncle.
In the name?
Yes, the name. It is named after country of origin.
No. What? How? Which country? What? What are you saying?
America. Hence Americon. Simple hai. Americon.
Hello. Listen to me carefully. It's not Omicron. It's not American. It's Omicron. Omicron. You clearly know nothing, uncle.
Omicron है क्या?
Omicron.
अमेरिकॉन नहीं है. इतना कठिन नाम क्यों रखते हैं यार भाई? सिंपल नाम होना चाहिए ना. रानी बुखार रख दो. रानी बुखार और राजा टाइफाइड, संजय निमोनिया.
More importantly, why is the camera still on him? That's what I don't understand. We have a show to do here. If he wants to talk for half an hour, he can do it on his own, on his Insta. He's got a big Insta following. Why waste my time on my small following here? All right, let's move on to cryptocurrency. and the cryptocurrency possible ban, which is scaring a lot of people because this is the new future. Is it really the new future? Let's find out more. Let's meet Sagar Kumar, head of CCI. Hi, Sagar Kumar. Is that the Cricket Club of India, CCI?
No, that's Crypto Club of India. It is similar. Membership is full.
A, I congratulate you on your accent, which I've never ever heard of in India or England or Germany or anywhere. And first of all, can you explain, sir, are all cryptocurrencies banned under this so-called Cryptocurrency and Regulations of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021?
Now that answer is unknown.
Now, what? Again, another guy like the last guy? What do you mean?
Even the government of India can't answer that.
Everyone we call has the same sort of style. But the government of India came up with this bill.
Yes, came up, not explained.
Sir, what the hell are you saying?
See, I can come up with the title, say, Ding Dong Bell.
This is an adult conversation and you are saying ding dong bell.
Exactly. But I don't have to explain the title, nah. What's bell, what is dang, what is ding, what is dong, ding dong, what is what?
What?
Just say ding or dong. Don't explain ding kya hai, dong kya hai.
Ding kya hai, dong kya hai. But I quote, the bill seeks to prohibit all private cryptocurrency in India. That's pretty ding to me.
And if you read further, it says it allows for certain exceptions to promote the technology of cryptocurrency. That's pretty dong to me.
I see. So,
It's ding this way, dong that way.
oh, once again, it means nothing and yet everything.
You can say that. I prefer ding or dong.
Ding or dong. But crypto is popular. I mean, it's clearly the future. Everybody's saying that. So why ban, even if it's not really a ban, when everybody thinks that's what's going to happen anyway?
Which country are you living in?
India?
So by now you know, every now and then we must ban something.
Oh, so therefore for the greater good of society, you're saying,
No, out of habit.
out of habit?
Like for example, now 3 farm law bans are reversed.
So there's a ban vacancy is what you're saying?
Ding, dong.
Wow.
Yeah.
Got it. Fantastic. To replace something which is ban vacancy, we need more bans. So it's just a temporary thing until we find something else to ban. Oh, these guys are wise philosophers we have for you today. Wise philosophers. Speaking of wise philosophers, this person is not. The latest on Omicron, you want to know how to safeguard yourself medically? Let's go to Nurse Shashi, who works with us. God bless us. Tell us, what can we do, Nurse Shashi? Please, tell us properly.
You can talk slowly
What? Why? What?
because I can't understand you.
In the history of our show, the performers that we've had in the first half, barring myself, have been below standard. I mean, really horrible. I mean, in every way, visually, audio-wise, I mean, just what they're trying to say creatively, every way. I apologize. This brings you that feeling that COVID is around because the negativity is just all over the place. We'll take a break and come back with more positive news. I'm just saying that we don't have anything. Let's start with a beautiful story, but that will be 9 p.m. news. No, so we can't do that. We'll start with this. $1 million has been raised for a United States gentleman incarcerated in jail wrongly for 43 years. It was a false charge. Okay, think about that for a second. 43 years taken away from that guy, $1 million. So it's a question of maths. Aryan, Arbaz or Munmun ke liye kitna? 10 lakh kam se kam? 7.5 at GST 18%, 9.86 hota hai na? It's all about maths, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, movie time. The 1983 premiere is out, all right? It's a very long title, 1983. So to save time, it's being called 83. I don't like that so much because it's like calling the week that wasn't. I like that. Wasn't. Shoka naam, naya naam. Wasn't. Take a look. Speaking of wasn't, Munawar Faruqi announced his retirement because of the haters who cancelled his last shows. What's he going to do now? Well, he can do this show. This is where you come when you don't want to do panga. Yeah, that's why we write about China, Afghanistan, some item number, somebody walking on the road. Oh, very safe. Munawar, aja. You can say anything you want here, according to our script. If you don't know who Munawar is, by the way, he's a stand-up comedian, a very young man whose last 12 shows have been banned by various people in 3 cities, Goa, Bangalore and Mumbai, which is now the far right of India. That's the truth. Okay, but what a lazy country. He's 31 and he's retired. What's happening to our country? My father's generation 59 पे गया, वो भी cheating करके 62, 63 तक पहुंच गया. They lied on their birth certificates. They fought like men, and now 31 बस both हो गया, and they're gone. Okay, but all this talk about Munawar Farooqi, let's meet the comedy king who's going to tell us what's happening in the world of stand-up comedy. We've had the Veer Das issue. A young man called Ghosh ran back to Calcutta because of some jokes he made, which people didn't like in Mumbai, apparently. Who these people, I don't know. And now we have this one gentleman called King Ustad Shakil. That's not a joke. That's his name. His pet name is Shak Munani. And Shak is going to, well, we'll take a look at his performance to see how he's doing, then get to talk to him as well. Let's understand freedom of expression. Is it there? Can you do stand-up comedy? How do you survive? So here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Shak Munani.
Hey, thank you guys. Thank you. Hey, ताली बजा दो यार. Please, ताली बजा दो. Thank you. So, I'll start with how many Leave it. I can't do this joke. Guys, give me 1 second. So, the joke is, tell me. It's up to you, huh? The joke is up. I mean, you will make this joke. So, tell me, blue और green में क्या फर्क है? Color है, but फर्क क्या है? That is what I'm asking. Blue और green में क्या फर्क है, guys? अरे, come on. अरे, think ना यार, think. Hey, यार तू कुछ. ओ भाई कितना खाएगा? देख, अबे खाना छोड़. Blue और green में फर्क क्या है? I'll tell you, guys. I'll tell you. Blue और green में कुछ फर्क नहीं है. अच्छा ओ सुन बैठ जा भाई बैठ जा बाद में खा ओ बैठ जा प्लीज प्लीज अच्छा सुन एक और गाइस लिसन टू दिस इज रियली फनी मेरी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड ने मुझे सुनाया था सो उसके बाद हमारा ब्रेकअप हो गया तो दिस वन इज रियली फनी इफ अ गोरिल्ला mates with chimpanzee
No.
what would their baby be called? अरे सोचो think guys think थोड़ा सोचो यार come on I'll tell you हाँ बता रहा हूँ the answer is Raju it's funny यार it's funny guys it's funny अरे मैंने सिर्फ स्पीशीज थोड़ी पूछा था मैंने सिर्फ नाम पूछा था guys it's Raju it's funny guys अच्छा एक मिनट बैठ जा आंटी प्लीज सुन लो एक और है it's really funny it's international guys now I'm going all international it's an international joke चाइना का जो नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट है Xi Jinping. Yes, thank you. जाड़िया, thank you. Xi Jinping के बाद चाइना का नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट कौन होगा? That's the joke. अरे ये जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन है। अरे no यार, it's a joke. It's not a general guys. Believe me, it's really funny. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. Xi Jinping के बाद नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट होगा 12 Jinping. Got it. समझ में आया? अरे वो Z दिखता है ना 11 जैसा. Z is like 11 यार. The 12 next. Okay, guys, listen to me. Please, guys.
Oh, sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. I know, sorry. I'm so sorry. Can we talk 1 second, please?
No, yaar. Thank you, Cyrus. They're rude, yaar. This audience is really rude. Thank you saved me.
I didn't want to say it, but really, honestly, मुझे शर्म आता है यहाँ पे. I can't understand what's going on. What's wrong?
Yaar, it's very tough to do stand-up nowadays, bro. It's not easy, bro.
We can see that, sir. We can see what's going on. But can you explain why exactly are you in so much trouble? What's going on?
अरे यार आफ्टर मुनव्वर फारूकी वीरदास और वो कोई दैट होस्ट ब्रो ना होस्ट था ना वो वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेजिटेरियन ऑन आवर जोक्स यार
really, but I mean, that was, don't mind, but amongst the worst jokes, even from our standard of really poor, mediocre quality performances. So, can you tell us why? Why?
I know, yaar, we can't talk about religion, politics, India, celebrities, women, children, historical people, festivals.
Yes, we can see that. So, your copy is ridiculous. So, as a result,
Stand-up comedy is dying, bro. It's dying. They hate us. See.
oh God, they're still booing. I can hear them booing you. I feel so bad.
No, bro. Now actually they are booing you.
Okay, that's really bad. That's terrible. But I don't get this. So, no comedian in India is successful anymore, or can be.
None, bro. None.
None.
No, wait. There is one. Just one. One guy. This guy. See.
Hi, friends. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Let us.
Let us who?
Let us in. It's hot outside, na? Let us in.
Is it okay if I throw you outside and permanently leave you outside and let you just, freeze in 45 degrees heat so that I don't go through this ever again? I mean, what the hell joke is this, yaar? Let us in. What is this, yaar? I mean, raise the bar completely. Do something different. I mean, I don't mind if you talk in Kannada, but make it funny. Let us in. You want to have another shot? One more try? You want to try it again? One more. Do you have another joke? So you want to do the same joke again? But I will explain to you it's a bad joke.
I will say differently. Let us in.
Genius. Pure genius. I'm telling you, this guy can create 12 Kapil Sharmas in a week.
That was Matosh. That was him. A person who has changed comedy for better or just for worse. What are we lying? You are intelligent people and you see this idiot talking rubbish. Okay? Just want to mention that he's a great guy and very sporting but horrible comedian, and please help us. Please, I can't do this anymore. I'm just feeling pain all over. Anyway, it's time to check in with Nurse Shashi one last time. Please, Nurse Shashi, what can we do to curb Omicron?
We can't do anything.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, according to Nurse Shashi, it's horrible, terrible news. We can't do anything. We are finished. We are khatam. We are dead. We are gone. It's a tragedy.
We can't do, but I can do.
We can't do, but I can do. What are you saying?
And you can do separate.
What does he mean by that? Something dirty? Some innuendo which you don't understand? मैंने करता है वो सब कुछ. तमीज़ से बात करो. You're a nurse, a medical professional. Not professional, but semi-professional. Please behave yourself. By the way, folks, those of you who want to see more of Matosh, he does live shows, but only in his house. We'll give you the address in a little while. Yeah. I just want to wish Mrs. Matosh happy birthday. She sent us a request to keep him in the studio for 48 hours. As we say goodbye, people are asking this question कि Kunal Vijayekar कहाँ था episode में? And I have to answer this. Kunal, the spirit of Mumbai is very strong in Kunal, and he decided to celebrate Baman Irani's birthday for 4 days in Chandigarh while we are shooting. And we salute him and hope he had a good time and hope he comes back. If he doesn't, we have his replacement ready. You know who it is. Hello everybody, hello.
मैं ऐसा करूँगा?
I'll give you the journalist point of view. But don't adjust the color. ऐसा कुछ disclaimer दे दो नीचे.
First time he is trying something.
अरे Gopal's whole that stand-up is longer than what you're thinking in your head, यार.
ये स्टाइल अच्छा लग रहा है यार, मैं ऐसे रखूंगा ऐसे.